Good morning and welcome to my line tips. We have 10 odds today, total of 10 matches over market. Let's get started. But before we move on, I want to say congratulations to everyone that played yesterday game. We've been having back-to-back winning for the past 2 weeks. So if you are new to this channel or Facebook page, kindly follow and also subscribe to this channel. And here we provide you free football prediction on daily basis here on Facebook and YouTube. Then we have a premium channel where we share VIP games. If you want to join that VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Okay, let's get started. The first game we have today is in Estonia, where FC Nomi United is taking on Nomi Kazio. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is an international friendly where FK Australian taking on Porto, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Denmark, lower division, where B93 Copenhagen is taking on Coding IF, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is still in that same Denmark division, again between Vendizo taking on Rockslide, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in Lithuania, where Zugas is taking on FC Hegelman Kunas, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is in international friendly, rather German amateur division, where Nupchild is taking on, rather Shawin Ford is taking on TSV Ausstadt, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in uh, Switzerland, where Nomax is taking on State Lausanne, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in international club friendly, where Fiorentina is taking on Regina. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in international friendly, where Kilmarnock is taking on Barrow AFC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Kindly share this video with your friend. Don't forget to like this video. It's very important you like this video so that Facebook and YouTube will recommend it to you next time, and also recommend it to your friends and others. Okay, moving on, we have the last game on this ticket in the Peru Division 1, where UTC de Jamaica is taking on Cusco, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 10.43 odd. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game manually in your own local booking and play them. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Do not forget to like and share this video and drop your where you are watching us from in the comment section. If you are part of those people that win yesterday game, kindly drop your winning ticket in the comment section. Thank you and stay safe.